Fucking weather, man. I have an umbrella. I've got an umbrella. That's how bad it is. G'day! And welcome to today's vlog, where I am getting piss wet through ish. But like Rihanna, I have an umbrella. I do. Lambert and Butler from the 90s. If you know, you know. Where am I? Where am I today? Can you guess? I'm in Paris. There's the Eiffel Tower behind me. I'm in Blackpool. I'm in sunny Blackpool. And there's a tram. Man. What a day. What a day to do a vlog. Pissing down. Oh, the umbrella's getting blown everywhere. Fuck me, man. Oh. So, I have to keep lifting the umbrella up to see where I'm going. The weather here, it's shit. It's fucking shit, man. And I mean shit. I can't even hold the umbrella, it's that bad. The North Sea? Is it the North Sea? The specific ocean. Look at that. Let me turn you around. Oh, I'm dropping the camera. Everything's piss wet through. North Pier. Whoa. So yes, it's not a good day. I don't even know why I've come out in this weather. But I have. I've come out. And right, oh, it's too long this. It's fucking hitting my nose. That's better. Tilt the camera like that. Hey, and right over there is Shenanigans, where you can get fucking wind, where you can get a beer served to you by a lady who is naked. A titty beer. Who doesn't like a titty beer? The time, it's 8:10. It's 8:10 in the morning. I don't know if you can hear those exhausts popping. There is a fast forward show on today, which I've just walked past. They're all parking up, so I'm going to have a look at that a little bit later, because I like a fast car. Not a fast forward. Well, I like some of them, but not all of them. A world first. Doesn't say what world first it is. Oh, this umbrella, man. Fuck off. Whoa, whoa. And the wind, which you won't be able to hear because I have a microphone on. It has a wind fluffy bit. I think it's called a wind sock. So that will stop the wind so you can hear me without hearing when the wind blows. It will. And right there is Vegas Diner Bar and Grill. It's right to the side of me. There it is. Oh, this is not a good day for this. I can't even just hold it like that. It'll fucking blow inside out. Oh, how did Mary Poppins have one of these? That was a shit weapon of choice. Mr. Seagull. Oh, this camera's hard to hold. It is. I have to try and hold it under the umbrella so it doesn't get fucking thing. Doesn't get rain on the lens with stupid big bubbles. It is. Oh, fucking hard work this. I was going to do this yesterday, but I'll be honest with you, yesterday was fucking walking to the bin. Yesterday was Saturday. As I told you before, I drive for a living, so I do not drink alcohol in the week. No, I do not. So Friday, I had a drink. I did. And yesterday morning, my head was a little bit tender. So I was going to come and do this yesterday, but I couldn't be bothered. Fucking thing, man. This umbrella is just becoming, it's just a fucking tool. Oh, I wish I didn't bring it now. But, oh God, it's just swap hands. God, the strength of this fucking thing. And right now, I am walking over the comedy carpet. There it is. What's 5 and 5? Don't use your fingers, hands in pockets. 11. I don't even get why that's funny. I don't think that's funny. But there you go. And look at that! It's the Blackpool Tower! Whoa! And the fucking umbrella's turned inside out. Oh. Fucking thing. Look at this. Oh. I tell you in Blackpool, can't you? Fucking police already. Oh. I've just seen a place to get a good thumbnail. Right there. Give us a minute, guys. I need to get a picture for the thumbnail. It's fucking up. The picture for the thumbnail is done, which if you're watching this video will be the thumbnail. Oh, this weather's horrible. Weatherspoons. Yeah, but look at that. Sierra Cosworth, man. Don't know if you can see that. Oh, I used to love them cars. Escort RS Cosworth was my favourite. I remember looking at insurance quote on one of them when I was 19, 20. £42,000. £42,000 to insure a car. Another tram. Man. Oh, look, the Wetherspoons there. Do I keep vlogging or just do I go in Wetherspoons? The Albert and Lion. I'll keep going. I'll keep going. God, look at this weather. Look at the sea. Fuck me. Oh. I do have the drone with me today. The DJI Avata 2. Will I be using it? No. No chance. Like this weather. It ends up in the Pacific Ocean. Is it the Pacific Ocean? Or is it the North Sea? I don't know. I'm not a... Fuck me, man. Police again. Welcome to Blackpool, the crime hotspot. At 8:15 in the morning. Who needs the police at that time? Who's kicking off? What's going on? Oh, my pants are falling down. Oh, right, hang on. It's a fucking umbrella's falling, the camera's falling. Right, just one sec. My pants are falling down. That's better. Oh, that's it. Look at the state of that. Oh, there's fucking water on the screen. One second, let me wipe you down, guys. Is that better? Yeah, that's better. Is it? Yeah, that's alright. Is there man here picking up the rubbish? Fucking hell. Wow. Hang on, how have I ended up here? I'm on the fucking sand. Seagulls there. Even the seagulls look like they've got the ump. Look at them. Look at them. Look at them up there. The size of them. Look at the size of them. Whoa, man. That's like Falco off the never-ending story. He does. Whoa. This is not the day for this. Oh, let's get away from this sea. It's probably messing the sound up. The steps. Oh, this is not a day to wear white. It is not. The lifeboat station. Then if you drown in that sea right there, the Pacific Ocean, they will launch a boat right there and come and rescue you. You would hope, one would hope, that they will come and rescue you. And there's Coral Island right there. This is hard to do, man, with an umbrella. Thirsty work. It's thirsty work, which means I'm going to need a pint at 8:20 in the morning. I do. The wind, and right there you have Sea Life Centre. You do, where you can see fish, sharks, excuse me, what did I say, sharks, stingrays, turtles, starfish, and many other sea creatures, or sea critters, anything from the ocean. Now one would presume the Sea Life Centre is right there, the Pacific Ocean is right there. Now if I own that, which I don't, I would have a pipe pumping the water from the sea into, I'm pointing with the camera, what the fuck am I doing that for? From the sea into there, through some sort of filtration system, and just pump it straight into the tanks. Because I'm a wise man, and that's what I would do. Fun land, right there. There's nothing fun about this. Pissing down, getting soaked. The Gruffalo and Friends Clubhouse. I don't know if you can see that. There it is. Elvis, if you're watching this, hi Elvis. The Gruffalo. Elvis is my grandson. Is that called Elvis? It's called Isaac, but I call him Elvis. It's a long story. If you're watching, hi. Evie, if you're watching, hi. The Pyramid Plaza. Traditional fish and chips. I'm saying these things, you can't even see them. It's fucking umbrella, man. Right there. Whoa, what's this? What are these things, man? God, this umbrella's a pain. That's a fucking... Whoa. They're probably part of the Blackpool illuminations. Oh, piss wet through. Absolutely piss wet through with an umbrella. What a stupid idea it was to come and do this in the rain. The waxworks, where you can look at candles that look like people. And right there is Central Pier. Oh, this is a joke. It's hard work with this umbrella. I should have done this on a better day. But it's not a better day. It's a shit day. So I'll just carry on walking down the promenade of Blackpool, talking to you, my watchers, viewers. Speaking of viewers, watchers, if you are watching this and you're enjoying the nonsense that I am talking, press subscribe, press like. It's right on the corner of your screen. It's a click of the mouse. It's a press of the phone screen. It's not hard work. Give it a press. And if you're still watching, thank you, because I would have watched this and I turned it off by now. Fucking hell. There's a, hey, there's Elvis, right there. Can you see? I just want to be your teddy bear. The song. That's my favourite Elvis song. I don't want to be a tiger. That's the only bit I know. That's the only bit I know. Oh. So we've passed North Pier. Oh, it's fucking umbrella, man. We're now passing Central Pier. Oh, it's awful. I can't be doing this umbrella. God, it's just a fucking hindrance. Oh, swap hands. Swap hands. 1 sec. The hands are leaving. Whoa. Oh, this weather's shit. This weather is shit. Now, many people come to Blackpool on holiday. They do. And it costs probably more than what it costs to go to abroad, Spain, Portugal. Whoa, look at that, XR2. I used to have one of them. Yeah, that's sick. I used to have one of them. What was I saying? Yeah, it costs the same to go abroad as it does to come here. And although there's many delights of Blackpool, arcades, the Pleasure Beach, the Tower, the zoo, I can't think of any more. There's probably more, but I can't think of them. Yes. There's all those things to do. But you're not guaranteed the weather. Look at it today. It's fucking horrible, man. Horrible. We've got it. Fucking got the rain. Nothing's open. It's early, that's why nothing's open. I like to get out early and have a look round. You can play bingo there. Can you see it? For 10 pence. Fucking 10p. What are you going to win for that? It's probably one of those where you've got to... Is it... What are they... Win tokens or tickets or something. And if you win like 8 million tickets, you've got enough for a fucking strawberry hubba bubba or something. Bella's going on its own now. Oh. Whoa, look at that! Let's go to Mexico. Oh, so, I've parked my car right near where they're all parking up, so we'll have a look round there after. We will. We will have a look. Oh. Promenade gifts. 3 to go. It's lots of fun. Fuck me. Oh. God, what a day. What a day to do this. I'm not advertising Blackpool very well, am I? Not really, but they don't pay me, so it's not a problem, is it? Sorry, the camera's bouncing. I'm trying to get something out of my pocket. Oh. Bit of nicotine. So on the way here, I stopped at McDonald's for breakfast and I had a Twix coffee. Yeah, you heard me right, a Twix coffee. The chocolate bar, 2 fingers of fun in a coffee. Did it taste like a Twix? No. Was it worth the extra 30 pence? No. The only difference, I didn't have to put any sugar in it. I only have 2. You have to put any sugar in that. Did I spill it all over me? I did. When I got in the car, he went all down the side. I went back into the restroom, if you're actually in America, toilet if you're in England. It was quite rude to say it, toilet in America for some reason. And I washed it off as best I could. Oh, the wind, man. It is a windy day. I should have done this vlog in the summer. I mean, what month are we in now? September 2024. Not had a summer, have we, this year? The weather's been shite in England. Unless you're down south, I think the weather's been alright there. Pants are falling down again. Put them up. Oh. What a day. What a flipping day. And the bus right there. Oh, you can't see it, umbrella's covered it. Oh. So I'm going to walk. I started at North Pier, which is where I'm parked, near there. Now it says on the sign, no return within 3 hours, Monday to Saturday. Today is Sunday. So that means I ain't got to pay, have I? I think. I haven't paid anyway. Pay to park on the street. Pay fucking road tax. Cheeky bastards. Nose is running. I haven't got any hands to wipe it on my sleeve. It's going to go in the wash later. Lisa will wash it. She'll still be in bed at this time. It's weekend. Same yesterday. Yesterday morning. 11:30 she got up. I'm off to football. And then didn't go. Season ticket holder and didn't go. Made me watch that crap. I hate it. I hate football. Oh no, she didn't make me watch it. Oh, I'm telling a lie. She went upstairs and watched it. She took the no, we don't have a dodgy fire stick. We have Sky upstairs, and she watched it legally on Sky. Legally. The Manchester pub. Right there. The crispy cod. Over there. Oh wow, look. The train tracks, the tram tracks, they're flooded. Whoa, there's a tram, man. Here comes the tram. Is it gonna splash? Let's have a look. There's the tram. Umbrella. Go on, please. No, don't slow down, man. Oh, he's slowing down. I want it to splash. Well, that was a bit shit, wasn't it? If I'd have been that tram driver, I would have hit that. I don't know what the speed of a tram is. It's got to be 25, 30 mile an hour, isn't it? I would have hit that full speed. Sent all the water up. I would. Because I'm a child. Oh, it's fucking weather, man. It's weather. Oh. Once you've passed Central Pier, heading towards South Pier, which is what I'm doing, I'll turn you around. Whoa! There's nothing. It's just crap hotels. Look at that there. The Royal Windsor Hotel. Look at it. Would you stay there? It looks a right shithole. And that's probably about 100 quid a night. I won't stay there. No, I would not. No chance. It's horrible. Horrible. Oh, this weather's getting worse. The wind's dying down and the rain's getting heavier. The specific ocean is getting a bit... Is it the Pacific Ocean or is it the North Sea? I don't know. I don't know. It's the sea anyway. Well, it's that ocean, that specific ocean that I'm talking about. It is. Oh, pants are piss wet through. I'm piss wet through. The lighting's crap because I've got an umbrella over my head. It's blowing everywhere. Fucking arms are aching from holding it. Oh. I think once I get down here, I'm gonna have a pint. I am. I'll probably get the tram back. This is horrific. It's fucking horrific. Oh. Can I swap hands? Oh, it's hurting my hands. Oh. Whoa. Get that. Just hold that a sec. Oh. What's up with this? Sorry guys, you're getting blown everywhere, aren't you there? Whoa, 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 come on. So, Aspire Plab Academy Hotel. Doesn't look like. Look at it. He'd want to stay there. The hot. Whoa, come on, umbrella. Oh, there's water on the screen. 1 second, guys. Let me wipe the screen. Is that better? That's better. Whoa, that's better. What's this? Whoa. Beware of sandbanks, shelving and shelving? Not fucking IKEA. It's a specific ocean. Beware of shelving. What, so there's like shelves in the sea? I've got shelves at home. Never thought they were dangerous. Maybe I'm wrong. Oh, I can't even see where I'm going. Oh, it's weather. How's that got there? Sand. Ah. This is not the day for this. Not the right. I'm just rambling on. I've nothing to tell you about because there's nothing to see apart from crap hotels, funky towers, fucking funky towers. Nothing funky about it. So I'm going to knock you off. Whoa! When I get a bit further down the promenade, the esplanade, whatever you call it, and I'll turn you back on. I will. What's this? Right, I'll come back to you when I get a bit further down. There's not happening here. Well, can I? Focus, Escort RS Turbo, Series 1. I used to have one of them as well, Sea-Reg. I bought it for 500 quid. Off a mate of mine in 99 I bought it, 1999, 500 quid, because he got his missus pregnant and he was desperate for money. So I gave him 500 quid for it. I then realised that I couldn't afford to run it or insure it because I was 19. So I sold it for literally 6 weeks later, I sold it, 2 grand. Fell out with me over that. He did. Oh, piss wet through. Absolutely piss wet through. Right, I'll turn you off. Get a bit further down. We'll have a beer. I'll say we, me, I'll have one. I like a beer. I do. And then we'll get the tram back. Oh, I keep... I'm using the camera to stop the fucking umbrella from blowing inside out. So I've got the pressure of the wind on this hand here with the umbrella and the pressure on this hand, which you can't see because I tilt the camera knobhead, holding it all together. That's how my life is. It's just held together. with whatever I can find. Right, I'm saying you off, I'm just talking shite. Right, I'll come back to you in a bit. Hello. Welcome back. Clearing the throat, ready to talk more nonsense. So I've walked, since I last spoke to you, roughly a mile-ish. I'm now almost at the South Pier, here. I'm absolutely soaked, my legs are dripping. I don't know why I just put my leg out because you can't see it. On the camera, on the camera! The weather situation, it's got worse. It's bouncing down, man. But I will carry on. I will do that. I will carry... What? So, sorry, I get distracted. So, we are at South Pier. Here. And across the road from there is a Wetherington Spoons, which I'm hoping at 10 to 9 in the morning will be open, because I think I deserve a pint of Stella Artois, because that's one of my favourite drinks. And no, I am not sponsored by Stella, they don't pay me to say that, but Stella, if you're watching, give me a call. I'll sponsor me, I'll promote it, I'll promote Stella. Wow. So like Rihanna, fucking car on the promenade, look at that. Can't just drive on the prom. So, what was I saying? Yeah, so like Rihanna, I'm still under my umbrella. Ella, under my umbrella. Lambert and Butler. You'll do well to find one of them. It's antique. It's from the 90s. When you used to collect little cards with points on out of cigarette packets. That's what it was. And if you smoked 8,000 cigarettes, you would have enough for this umbrella. You would. To keep you dry. Come racing on the Arabian Derby, it's here, so play it now. I have another words to that. I'm a lyrical genius. I am. Wetherington Spoons, the Velvet Coaster. Right there. Is it open? It fucking better be. It better be after that. So, that means I've walked all 3 piers. I have. To get here. I'm going in. So behind me there is the Pleasure Beach, Sandcastle. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. The big one. Everybody likes to ride on the big one, including my missus. The roller coaster. Clean your ears out. Clean your ears out. Potty mouths, dirty minds. Get across this road now. And get into here. Right, we'll have a pint. I'll get back to you. We have a Stella. And it's dry. In here. £4.57. That's Stella. £4.57. Fucking hell, man. Oh, let's try it. Is it worth the money? Oh, das ist gut.
gas is good.
Thank you, if you're still watching, till the very end. Hit that like, smash that like, hit that subscribe, and I'll see you on the next vlog. Look after yourselves and each other. Until next time, I'll see you soon.